So this is what it looks like when it's uninflated, but we're not going to need a portable inflator because this mattress has a pretty unique function here. And that is at the bottom, you've got this foot pump. So we're going to close up the things at the top to make sure that it's going to inflate. We'll open the one here at the foot pump and we'll start to inflate. So essentially, we're filling this up with a whoopee cushion. I'm going to put it on the ground and fill it up with my foot. It's kind of like doing CPR. And just a few minutes later, here we are with it pretty much inflated. And you can see, very easy. You don't have to rush to put the cap back on. But now that the cap is back on, it's a sturdy, double pleated, double pillowed sleeping pad. Hope this helps. Don't need an extra inflator. It'll inflate by itself.